In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use grids to align content in Visme. Whether you're new to Visme or just looking to enhance your design game, grids are an essential tool for creating well-organized, visually appealing layouts. Let's dive into how you can set up and customize grids to align your content effortlessly. First, you'll need to have your project open in Visme's editor. The editor is the heart of your creative process, housing all the tools you need to bring your vision to life. Once you have your project ready, move your attention to the top left corner of the screen. Here, you'll find the hamburger menu icon. It looks like 3 stacked horizontal lines. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu of options. This is where you can access various settings that can affect your workspace. From the drop-down, you'll want to select View Settings. This part of the interface is all about how you visualize your workspace, and it offers several options that can refine your design process. Within View Settings, you'll see an option labeled Show Grid. By turning this on, you're effectively laying the foundation for a well-structured workspace, as grids provide guidelines that help in aligning elements neatly. Once you've activated the grid, you have the power to make a few additional customizations to better suit your project's needs. Consider the grid's color. A subtle hue that contrasts well with your background often works best, allowing you to see the grid clearly without it overpowering your design. Adjusting the opacity can also help in balancing visibility and subtlety. Additionally, the size of each grid square is something you'll want to pay attention to. You can tweak the width and height to control the level of granularity. Smaller squares mean you'll have more fine control over positioning elements, which is ideal for detailed designs, while larger squares might be better if your layout is more block-focused. Another useful feature to consider is the Snap to Grid option. Turning this on makes it easier for objects to align perfectly with the grid lines. As you move elements around your canvas, they'll snap to the nearest line, making precise alignment straightforward and quick. This feature is particularly helpful in maintaining a consistent and professional look throughout your project. And there you have it. These are the essential steps to using grids to align content in Visme. By incorporating grids into your workflow, you can elevate the quality of your designs, ensuring they're not only aesthetically pleasing, but also structured in a way that helps communicate your message clearly. Thanks for joining me, and happy designing.